Hey there, welcome to Social Waves. Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming content ideas? Or maybe you're stuck on what to write next? Let me introduce you to your new writing BFF, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your AI-powered assistant that can help you create high-quality content in minutes, whether it's for blogs, social media, email campaigns, or even video scripts like this. Just type a simple prompt like, create an Instagram caption for a coffee brand, and watch ChatGPT generate engaging, creative content instantly. Do you need catchy captions, compelling blog intros, or email subject lines? ChatGPT's got your back with endless ideas tailored to your brand voice. Save time, boost creativity, and stay consistent across all platforms. Plus, it's super easy to use, even if you're not a tech expert. So, why stress over content when ChatGPT can help you write smarter, not harder? Try it today and let your creativity flow. Follow me for more content creation tips and let's make writing fun again. Happy writing!